Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are diving into the world of I-Ching. It is the first philosophy book in ancient China, and it has key concepts like Yin and Yang, the 8 trigram and Bagua chart, and the hexagram used for fortune telling, things like feng shui and bazi. Don't worry, we will keep everything easy and simple to follow. So the first question comes, what is I-Ching? Let's break down. The I-Ching, literally the book of change, is one of the most important books of Chinese philosophy in ancient China. Word Yi means change, and Jing means script, so it's literally a book of change. It's not written by one person, but is evolved over time with contributions from legendary figures. There are 3 famous people: Fu Xi, mythical ancestor of the Chinese nation, King Wen of Zhou, and Confucius. It is like a collaborative masterpiece and the most important book shaping Chinese philosophy. You could think of it as a philosophical guidebook on how everything is always changing and how we can adapt. One of the key ideas in the Book of Change in I-Ching is Yin and Yang. In the Book of I-Ching, Yin and Yang I see as the fundamental of everything in the universe. It's similar to how in Western philosophy we have 4 classical elements, which are air, water, earth, and fire. Instead of the 4 elements, I-Ching believes that universe are formed by Yin and Yang. The universe started from emptiness and stillness until 2 energies, Yin and Yang, came into existence and formed the building block of everything in the world. Not only substances, but balance and harmony from very small things to the whole universe. However, unlike air, water, earth, and fire, which are tangible substances which are nouns, Yin and Yang are more abstract, are more like adjectives to describe the quantities, tendencies, and the state of being. The first feature of Yin and Yang are they are opposite to each other. Yin is often associated with darkness, passivity, cold, and femininity. Yang is linked to light, activity, warmth, and masculinity. So you see they appear to be in opposite. The second thing is Yin and Yang are equal and transform to each other. Here is what it gets interesting. It sounds confusing, but let me explain. Yin and Yang are not fixed. They flow into each other, transform into each other, which follows the theme of Yin and Yang, the Book of Change. For example, as time evolves, night becomes day, cold becomes warmth, spring becomes summer, becomes autumn, becomes winter, becomes spring. It's the change of seasons. You see, Yin and Yang are interchangeable and nothing purely Yin and Yang, so that they are always in a state of change and balance. Similarly, just like in humans' behavior, men can feel free to behave in a feminine way. Women can have masculine traits. All people have sophisticated aspects. No one is 100% good person or bad person. Well, good people can turn evil, and bad people can become good if their intentions, if their circumstances changes. The third thing about Yin and Yang is they are inseparable to each other. There's no such thing as 100% Yin or 100% Yang. They always coexist. Think of the Tai Chi symbol. Yang has a bit of yin and yin has a bit of yang. Sun is the ultimate symbol of yang, hot, round, and bright. Yet, even sun has yin in the form of sunspots. In contrast, moon often seen as a symbol of yin, cold, and dark. But moonlight is actually the sunlight reflecting off the moon, which means there is a bit of yang in the moon. We can say yin and yang are like the 2 sides of a coin. You cannot use one side without the other. Another example is to think about a magnet. Yin and Yang are similar to the north and the south pole of a magnet. No matter how many times you cut it, you reshape it, each piece will automatically generate both poles. So just like the south and the north poles, Yin and Yang are like those poles. They are inseparable in any atoms.
I will update more about I-Ching in the next video. Feel free to like and subscribe. Thank you, and I will see you soon.